Welcome to 558 Buckhaven Way. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a 2-car garage, covered front porch, and fenced backyard with oversized patio and shed sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Deer Lake subdivision in Northeast Columbia, just off of Percival Road, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, I-20, Northeast Columbia amenities, and a easy commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're out front. You can see there's a driveway here leading up to the 2-car garage. You have a covered front porch here as well. We'll go ahead and take a look inside. So you have just some vinyl flooring here in the immediate entry. You can see the stairs going up there to the 2nd level. The living room is here to the left off of the entry. So you have a ceiling fan in here, nice updated ceiling fan. It's also a dining area in here as well, as you can see by the chandelier fixture there. So a nice large open room, lots of natural light. You have 2 large windows on the front and side. And then you can see your sort of open floor plan living area on this side with the kitchen open to the living space. Right behind you here on this wall, you just have underneath the stairs, just great use of that space for some additional storage. So just kind of a large open storage area. Then the kitchen here, you can see, nice open kitchen. You have a center island. There's a pantry here in the corner. Black appliances, side-by-side refrigerator with water and ice dispenser. And then you also have a refrigerator, a electric stove, smooth top, a built-in microwave above, and there's a dishwasher on that side. Window overlooking the backyard. Sort of grayish colored countertops and natural wood cabinets. And then in the second living space here, or more of a living room, you have the ceiling fan as well. This lets you out to your backyard. So you can see that sort of double-sized patio. You have a fenced backyard here with a storage shed as well. And then back inside, off of the living room, sort of an L-shaped hallway. You have a coat closet in here. The access to the garage. Automatic openers there. Then you also have half bathroom. So you have a pedestal sink, an oval mirror there above, and then the commode as well. And then you have a nice sized laundry room, full-size washer and dryer connections, 3 shelves, and a window with some natural light there. So on back out, we'll go back around to the entry and take the stairs up to the 2nd level. All 4 bedrooms and the 2 full bathrooms are up here. So you can see carpeted all the way up. Sort of at the end there, you can see there's a large linen closet behind some bifold doors. You do have a large sitting area here, or just a sitting or another basically small living space. Attic access there. There is a closet in that corner. And then off of here you have, let's see, the master here. So you can see huge master bedroom. Front facing, you have a ceiling fan. Huge walk-in closet also. In addition to the bathroom here, you have double sinks. There's a walk-in shower on this side, and then you have a garden tub. There's sort of a window above letting in some natural light, and the commode is in the corner there. And then we'll sort of cycle around to see our additional bedrooms. So here's one of those. Also front facing, has a sort of standard size closet, bifold doors there. You have your second full bathroom, single vanity, and a shower and tub. Bedroom number 2. And this bedroom and the last one as well both have walk-in closets with sort of a standard door. And then we just pass by that linen closet in the hallway there. And then last but not least, this is your 4th and final bedroom. Slightly different configuration in the closet here. Sort of more of a U shape and other view of the room. So that completes our tour of this home. And the address is 558 Buckhaven Way in the Deer Lake subdivision in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a call at 803-407-8522.